What if the biggest invention of this decade isn't a new smartphone, a flying car, or even a robot, but a conversation? Right now, millions of people are using ChatGPT to solve problems, launch businesses, learn new skills, and even change their lives. But is this technology making humanity smarter or more dependent than ever before? Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll discover how ChatGPT is transforming the world in ways most people haven't even realized yet. 1. A new way of learning. For centuries, learning depended on classrooms, libraries, and teachers. Today, ChatGPT has introduced something completely different: a personal tutor available anytime. Imagine a student who struggles with mathematics late at night. Instead of waiting until the next school day, they can ask questions, receive explanations in simple language, and continue learning at their own pace. The same applies to someone learning a new language, preparing for an interview, or studying computer programming. Unlike traditional search engines that provide thousands of links, ChatGPT delivers personalized explanations tailored to the user's understanding. This doesn't replace teachers. It gives learners another powerful tool. Education is becoming more accessible, personalized, and interactive than ever before, allowing people from every corner of the world to improve themselves regardless of age or background. 2. Transforming the workplace. The modern workplace is evolving faster than ever. Employees spend countless hours writing emails, preparing reports, brainstorming ideas, and organizing information. ChatGPT helps automate many of these repetitive tasks, allowing professionals to focus on creativity and decision-making instead. A small business owner can draft marketing campaigns within minutes. A programmer can receive coding assistance. A customer service representative can create faster responses while maintaining quality. Rather than replacing every worker, AI is increasingly becoming a powerful assistant that enhances productivity. Those who learn to work alongside AI may gain a significant advantage in the future job market, while companies become more efficient and competitive. 3. Helping entrepreneurs build businesses. Starting a business once required large teams, expensive consultants, and significant resources. Today, a single entrepreneur can use ChatGPT to brainstorm business ideas, write business plans, create marketing content, generate product descriptions, and even develop customer support systems. Imagine someone with a great idea but limited money. Instead of hiring multiple specialists immediately, they can use AI to perform many early-stage tasks. This dramatically lowers the barrier to entrepreneurship and allows talented individuals from developing countries and small communities to compete on a global stage. Innovation is becoming less dependent on wealth and more dependent on creativity. 4. Revolutionizing healthcare support. Healthcare professionals face enormous amounts of information every day. While ChatGPT cannot replace trained doctors or provide definitive medical diagnoses, it can assist by summarizing research, explaining medical concepts in understandable language, organizing patient education materials, and helping people better understand general health information before consulting professionals. Patients often feel overwhelmed by complex medical terminology, but AI can simplify these concepts and encourage more informed conversations with healthcare providers. As AI tools continue improving, they have the potential to support healthcare systems by saving time and increasing access to reliable educational information. 5. Changing creativity forever. Many people believed creativity belonged only to humans. Yet today, writers, artists, musicians, filmmakers, and designers are discovering that AI can become an incredible creative partner. ChatGPT helps generate story ideas, improve scripts, write speeches, brainstorm video concepts, and overcome creative blocks. Imagine a YouTuber who struggles to find fresh content every week. Instead of staring at a blank screen, they can collaborate with AI to develop stronger ideas faster. Importantly, AI doesn't eliminate human imagination. It amplifies it. The final vision, emotion, and originality still come from people, while AI serves as an accelerator for the creative process. 6. Making knowledge more accessible. One of humanity's greatest challenges has always been unequal access to knowledge. Millions of people live far from quality schools, professional mentors, or expensive educational resources. ChatGPT helps reduce this gap by making explanations available to anyone with an internet connection. Whether someone wants to understand astronomy, history, personal finance, or engineering, AI provides information in simple language that can be adjusted to different learning levels. This democratization of knowledge has the potential to empower individuals worldwide, giving more people opportunities to improve their skills and create better futures. 7. The challenges and ethical questions. Every powerful technology brings important responsibilities. ChatGPT is no exception. Questions about misinformation, privacy, bias, and overdependence are becoming increasingly important. If people blindly trust every AI-generated answer without verifying facts, mistakes can spread quickly. There's also concern about students relying too heavily on AI instead of developing critical thinking skills. Society must learn not only how to use AI effectively, but also how to use it responsibly. The future will belong to those who combine human judgment with artificial intelligence rather than allowing one to replace the other. ChatGPT is more than just another piece of software. It represents a new chapter in human progress. It offers incredible opportunities to learn faster, work smarter, build businesses, unlock creativity, and make knowledge more accessible than ever before. Yet its true impact depends on how wisely we choose to use it. Technology is only as powerful as the people behind it. As you reflect on everything we've explored today, ask yourself one important question. How will you use AI to improve your own future? If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and never miss future videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.